It's Danielle here for Nellie and Clem, and I'm just going to do something a little bit different. I've started an Etsy store, and the link I'll pop in the comment section below the video. And yeah, I've been doing like a few different kits and things over the past couple of months, so they're all available on the store. But I decided that I thought it would be quite fun to do a Christmas kit, because this year's been an absolute shambles, so I thought that it would be fun to do something really kind of bright and bold and colourful. So yeah, if we want to use it for Christmas, then it's just something nice and cheery. I think we've all kind of collectively agreed that, you know, 2020 can get in a bin, so I think we'll just look forward to Christmas, because, you know, no one's going on holiday. No one's having any fun, so I've done this and I'm putting it out early, so, you know, you'll have it from September onwards. So if you want to use it, then you can go and you can purchase it through the store and then just sort of crack on, really. Because yeah, I don't think 2020 is going to get any better. Ugh. So with that in mind, I've got it all out, and I thought I'll do like a kind of unboxing, if you like, so you kind of have a chance to see everything. Yeah, and it kind of help you kind of see how it prints, what it looks like, and then you can go into the store and check it out on there as well. So yeah, let's delve in. So I've got, there's four papers, how many papers? Four papers. No, there's 5 papers. 5 papers. I don't even know what I'm doing. There's 5 papers in the kit, and I've kind of used a colour palette that kind of I've used through everything, so it'll all match nicely. So I've got little Christmas trees, with little red and white. I've got this paper here which is loads of kind of little Christmas phrases. So we've got like peace, season of magic, holly jolly, Christmas cheer, be merry, and then you can either use it as a paper, so you could either cut this out and put it in a TN on one side, or you can individually sort of fussy cut out the little phrases. They're repeated patterns, so it kind of has a few and then kind of repeats itself. But yeah, so if you do want to sort of chop them out, then you could do that, but you can also use it as a paper too. I've got this really bold sort of turquoise polka dot, and these are just slightly off-white, sort of really, really pale pink little circles. This one, which is red and pink, it's kind of like a not a Christmas jumper, but I kind of liked it had a kind of little polka dotty Christmassy vibe. The colours are quite Christmassy, and yeah, it kind of reminds me a little bit of a kind of Christmas jumper or something like that, so it's just a cute pattern. And then these are kind of a just slightly different take on Christmas stars. So instead of doing like your traditional Christmas star, we've got like I think there's like, maybe there's like 32 points or something, so it's quite pointy stars. But yeah, so they're the papers, and you know, just sort of a nice mix of sort of patterns and phrases. So that's all fun. I've got journal cards, and I think there's 12, so let's just go through these. So again, I've got a mix of sort of bits and pieces here. So I've got a few like Christmas movie sort of quotes and things. So that one's from the Muppet Christmas Carol, because I love it. I've got a little one there that's kind of like a take on the Mean Girls quote, so it's sort of stop trying to make spurts happen rather than stop trying to make fetch happen. I've got a little let's get festive. I've got I just want to watch Christmas movies and nap. So I've got a quote from Scrooge here. It says it's Christmas Eve, it's the one night of the year when we all act a little nicer, we smile a little easier, and we cheer a little more. I've got another little green one here for Elf. It says you have such a pretty face, you should be on a Christmas card. I've got a little merry happy there with a little Christmas tree with a star at the top. I've got a little, I've got a ho 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 uh-oh, because I thought that might be quite fun for sort of documenting maybe, you know, if something goes wrong, or if like, well, if you're my family, a dog pulls over the Christmas tree. It seems to be the theme. So yeah, something like that, or like, you know, if you burn your Christmas cookies or something, then you've got a kind of little kind of journal card that you can use to kind of put alongside that moment. Got a Merry Christmas, You Filthy Animal from Home Alone. I've got a Jingle and Mingle, which I thought was quite a cute little card to just pop in. So if you do go and see anyone or go out for like a little Christmas drinks or whatever, then you've got a little option there to put like where with and what you did. And then just a little You Sit on a Throne of Lies from Elf as well. So yeah, so there we go. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yes, there are 12. I was right. So there we go. So there's the 12 journal cards. And again, similar colours. You know, keeping with that kind of theme, so everything matches nicely, and got a black in there as well because it's nice and bold. Oops. So that's the cards. Pop. And then we'll do the die cuts. So I've got a real mix in here. There's also 2 sheets of little numbers. So I use a Fiskars punch, circle punch. I'll try to find out what size that is, and I'll pop it in the comments section below as well, so you kind of know what circle size punch is. Basically, I've made my circles so that they end up with a nice little circular border around them. Not too big, but just a nice little border, so that when you're punching them out, they kind of show up nicely. So I've got 31 days in here in like green, red, and turquoise, and then the pale pink. And then there's a couple, because I did it on 2 pages worth, I had some extra sort of spaces left. So I did like, you know, a little heart, I've got a little December there, a smiley face. So there's a little mix, whoops, of a few extra little bits and pieces. Little Christmas hat. So yeah, so these would work really nicely. Just you could either staple them onto a photo or in like a journal, or you could totally use like those little kind of pockets that have the little squares, little square pockets, where you end up with like quite a few. You could sort of push one of these into a little pouch. You know, they're just really handy little things. So just cute little discs to count down to Christmas, and then yeah, just a few other little little bits and bobs to sort of play with as well. So just a little kind of extra fun. So they're all with the circle punch, and they just come on 2 sheets of A4 that you can print out as well. So pop them over there. And then these are the die cuts. So again, I've got a total mix of bits and bobs in here, so I'll just get them out. So I've got a little hello, my name is Bar Humbug. I've got 2 little red cups because we all like our Christmas coffee. So I've got a naughty nice coffee and a fa-la-la. Just a few random little bits and pieces. I mean, you could either cut this out as one, or you could cut them out as individual little kind of things rather than a chevron. I've got a little Christmas gingerbread man who's totally cute. I've got reindeer. I've got a regular reindeer, and somewhere in here is Rudolph with his red nose. So again, you can either sort of, depending on what you want to do, you can print the pages out as many times as you like. So you can, there's like quite the option to have like quite a few reindeer. If you wanted to sort of print the page a few times, then you'll have an option for, you know, a couple of reindeer and a Rudolph. These little kind of Christmas tickets. So I've got a few of those. But they're like, say, admit one, North Pole, Christmas movie, Christmas cheer, Christmas treat, Christmas dinner. So they're pretty cute. There might be more of those in here. I'll try and find those in a second. Oh yeah, there's one. Got, whoops, just one that says oh dear, which again might be quite cute with those. So I've got oh what fun, sparkle and shine, merry and bright with little Anns behind them. I've got some cute little girls with scarves and hats on, and I've done them in a few different skin tones and hair colours as well. So again, you know, totally mix and match. What else have we got? We've got a few different types of hearts. So again, you can kind of fussy cut these out. You could do a a little kind of double stitch through here. You could basically replicate that with the big ones and then double stitch through them to make like a little embellishment. So it might be quite cute for like a little Christmas card. So yeah, so there are all the little hearts. I've got a few little tiny tags in here. So I've got a, let's slide them over there. I've got a Be Nice, My Love, Tree Time, oops, We Shine. So they're real cute. What else have we got in here? We've got a few little characters. So I've got a little Christmas bear with his little heart scarf, a little penguin. They're really cute. So they kind of go with the little girls with their scarves on. I've got a few little labels. So they've got a little grid on them too. So yes, I just did those. So again, you can date stamp these, you can staple them onto the edges of your pages. They're just sort of handy little things. Oops, got a hot choc there, which is cute with its little marshmallows. Oops, got a little black Christmas tree. And then I did a few more of these little kind of punched circles. So I've got a little Santa. And this one, some of them have got little punches in the top, so you can make a little tag out of them. So I've got Winter Wonderland, Hyde Park, London. Cheers, my dears. Whoops. I've got a Don't Open Until, so you can stamp your 25th on there. Got the 25th of December. Little smiley face in green. Little Christmas tree. And a little smiley face in red as well. So again, just sort of cute little circles. And then we've got some little kind of more little kind of titles that you can use. So I've got a No Peeking. Oops. You Twinkle. Memories. Oops. I liked this one. I thought this was quite cute. Jingle It. We've got a Holly Jolly. December, and a Magic and Joy. So they're real cute. Just gonna slide everything a little bit out the top. Then I did a few more little kind of phrases that are kind of like you get from a label maker. So we've got a Jingle All the Way, Snow Much Fun, whoops, Let's Get Lit, which you could use with the Christmas tree, Fun Festive Frolics, Holiday Happenings, and I Ate It All, Eep. Oops. So they're cute. And then last but not least, I've got a couple of little tabs in the colours of the kit as well. So again, you can just use these, you can double them up, sort of, whoops, and double staple through them to hold them onto a little edge of your page. So you have a little colour coordinated turner on both sides. You know, you can date stamp these. So yeah, just a few sort of cute little extra bits like the labels, you know, that you can just use for kind of general documenting. And there we go. So that's the kit in all its majesty. It's quite a biggie. It's probably the biggest kit I've ever made. So yeah, a lot of love went into it. So I really hope that you guys like it. And any sort of comments, you know, you can add below. And if there's anything you kind of feel like is missing, then you can always mention it in the comments. And sort of if there's quite a few things that people kind of feel like they'd like more of, you know, then feel free to mention it, because I can always do a little kind of mini add-on, sort of closer to Christmas, sort of November time, because, you know, I'm just faffing around all the time. So yeah, so if there's anything that you're sort of thinking, oh, I'd really like X, then mention it in the comments below and I'll see what I can do. But yeah, there we go. So this kit will be available on my Etsy store, so you can head over there now and check it out. And yeah, I really hope you guys like it, and I really hope it's a, you know, it's a fun thing to document with. So yeah, I hope it puts a smile on your face. And well, I'll leave it there now. Lots of love to you all, and I hope you're all keeping well and looking after one another. And yeah, I'll see you all soon for another video. Okay, until then, take care guys. Lots of love. Bye.